Hi. For doing georeferencing within few minutes, we need to check first our data frames properties for the coordinate system, which is now unknown unit. So we need to change it to a proper local coordinate system. I mean projected coordinate system. For that, we are opening the dialog box, and if you have favorited any coordinate system, you can choose it from here or just drop down. You will find it in here. Like for my case, UTM zone, and here you can find a northern hemisphere. Below you can find your useful coordinate system based on which you can do the georeferencing. Okay, so I have selected UTM zone 45 north and applying it. Okay, now the data. If you are doing uh, with a map which is based on PNG or JPG, you can add it from directly here, or if uh, you want to do it from a PDF, I mean downloaded PDF of a topo sheet, then you must convert it like PDF to TIFF. Search it in tool search. I think it's instead PDF to and PDF to TIFF conversion tool. You can find it in toolbox also. Just open it. Okay, now input file. I'll give a worship link. Just copy this one. And the directory link. Here is our desired TOPOSHEET. Okay, it's giving not responding, so you can wait or close it or open a new. But I suggest wait, and it is loaded. We will click on OK, and it will process the conversion of PDF to TIFF. Within a few seconds or in a minute, it will be appear in layer vectors. Okay, so here is our georeferencing tool. If yours in your case it is not appearing in here, add it from here. Right click, then from here. Okay. Suppose I'm adding a point and we can have this input DMS value. So because in here in TOPOSHEET we get value in DMS, not in decimal degree or meters. So that is why either we need to convert it or uh, add a coordinate system. So actually I opened a map of a toposheet of Rajasthan. So we need to select the zone of this. So how we can find it? Okay. So here is our Rajasthan area. So for that we'll change the show datum in UTM. Okay. Then adding a point will show us the area. It is 42, right? It is 42 here, 43 here. So either 42, 43 we can. Okay. So then we'll change the coordinate system data frame properties into 43 instead of 45. Okay. Now zoom to layer and add point. First point will be in here. Input DMS 74 degree 45 minute 00 second. Here 27 minute 27 minute 50 27 degree 15 minute and 00 second. Okay, it will take us to that location. So we need to zoom to that location again. Then we will add second point. Right click input DMS 750027 15. It will be say 7500 00 15 is 27 00. Okay. Again we need to zoom to layer. The third point it should be 2700 and 75 sorry 75 00 7 degree 0 minute and 00 second. Okay. When we have added up to 3 points and it is not moving, we are not gonna zoom to location, zoom to layer. Okay. Zoom in this corner and it will be our last point. Okay. You can add up to any uh, like I'm doing with 4 point. You can add 8 point, 16 point, whatever you like. So this will be our last point. It is accurate. So try to zoom a bit. Okay. Zoom a bit and it will be more accurate like this. So what is the value? What is the value? 7445, 7445, and here 2700, 7445, 2700. And now what we'll do, we do not update, we will rectify and save it in our known location, with name. So first is folder connection. So I'm giving the folder let's just connect a folder. So where is tutorial folder? Adding it, name it. You can add for reference, just like rectified. CT. Okay. It will be TIFF file type. Save it. It will process in here 2-3 times. Your georeference TIFF file will be ready. Okay, we got it. We just remove it. Now, as we have already georeferenced the image built here, now we can go to this location, and this is our georeferenced image. Yeah, we got it. You can save these known points from here. By chance you just forgot the georeferenced or rectify, or after rectify you deleted or forgetted where you put that file or saved, then you can upload from here and again georeference it. Okay, so save it from here, upload it from here. You'll be uh, no need to add again for points. So what I'm gonna do, just delete all these points as we don't need them here. So this is our non-georeferenced file, just removing it. So what we gonna do, we just cross check if it is really georeferenced. So from TOPOSHEET we are gonna take a name or place by which we can identify it is georeferenced correctly. Any name from in here, like here we can found a name Kerkura. Just from identifier to using it, we can take a latitude longitude. Here we can take a decimal value because Google Earth can identify this. Just and find location is correct or not. From Arcgis we have copied the coordinate, and I'm just replacing the latitude in first, longitude in second. Now let's just find out if yes, look, if we put on the place and border and label, we can see clearly the location name. What was the name of the place? Kerpura, right? Look at this. This is from Kerpura, right? So our georeference is successful. Thank you. Okay, it's just loaded, and we're ready to assign for a reference point, known point to this map, and it will be georeferenced. So first of all, why at the very beginning we just converted the data frame properties into local coordinate system or UTM zone.